Welcome to EDU World Space.
A guy wire runs from the ground to a cell tower and is attached to the cell tower 150 feet above the ground, and the angle formed between the ground and the guy wire is 43 degrees. You want to find how long the guy wire is. Let me call that X. This is the guy wire. So you should be using the acronym SOHCAHTOA for right triangle trig relationships. And from this angle, we know the opposite. We have, and we want to find the hypotenuse. That would be sine. Okay, so that this doesn't get too busy. We can say the sine of the angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse from that angle, and we want to solve for x. Cross multiply. X times the sine of 43 degrees is equal to 150, and so x would be equal to 150 divided by the sine of 43 degrees. Onto a calculator we go. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and we want to calculate 150 divided by sine 43. And that's about 219.9 feet to the nearest tenth. Next, we want to know how far from the base of the tower is the guy wire anchored to the ground. So that would be what's the dashed line. I'll call it Y. We can say that that is the adjacent. So we know the opposite. We want to find the adjacent. That would be tangent. So we can say the tangent of 43 degrees is equal to the opposite, 150, over the adjacent y. Cross multiply again. Y times the tangent of 43 degrees is equal to 150. Divide both sides by tangent of 43. And that will be y. 150 divided by tan 43. Again, making sure you are in degree mode. Oops. And that would be about 160 point, we'll say 9